Let's check it. It smells really good. Hey everybody, long time no see. It has been brutally hot for about 6 weeks. Heat indices above 100 degrees nonstop through basically June and July. So now that we're in the classically cool month of August, we are I'm going to make dinner on the back deck in a Dutch oven for the family tonight. So I'm making a pot roast with summer vegetables. Come along, let's see how that turns out. I have lots of veggies, so I'm going to go heavy with them. What you put in here is up to you. I've got potatoes, yellow squash, zucchini, lots of carrots just because I got a lot of them and this is a great thing to do with them, corn, cherry tomatoes, and an onion. But first let's get the beef prepared. It's a profession of mine. Alright, quantities here very imprecise. A bunch of garlic. You also see my cutting is pretty imprecise. Okay, gobs o' chopped garlic in the bowl. 2 tablespoons-ish of oil. It's probably good. Okay, I need about 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, which I have some of. How do I translate stalks into tablespoons? Just gonna pull the goodness off the stems. There you go. I also added some salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna mix all of this together and then. Alright, we've got about a 2.5 pound chuck roast here. And like I said, oil, garlic, rosemary, salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna rub it in and make sure everything is coated with that. I'm going to let this sit a while, and then we'll go get the fire started. I'm going to use some charcoal because I don't have the time or inclination, or the wood, frankly, to get the bed of coals I'll need for doing this all on wood. Alright, while the fire's going, let's get these veggies going. Alright, so there's the carrots all cleaned up and washed. Next we'll do the zucchini and squash. And I'm just cutting these into chunks. My wife and I subscribe to CSO, I want to call it, this summer, where we go to the farm every month or every week and get a load of vegetables, and it's been a lot. And, squash and zucchini has been one of those things we've gotten a lot of, so I'm going to go ahead and be liberal with how much of these we are cooking up. Okay, I'm still working on the veggies, but I'm going to get the meat browned. First of all, I'm going to put a bunch of butter in the bottom. That's about 3 tablespoons. We'll melt that and then put the beef into brown. We're going to leave the oven open for a bit. Okay, meat is browning. I'm going to continue with the veggies. With the onions, I'm just going to peel them and quarter them, so this will be nice and easy. There we go. Corn. Let's clean this up, and I'm going to cut it into about thirds. Alright. Raw corn does not cut easily. think it's about time time to turn this meat. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, let's let that brown on the other side. Alright, so what I just did was added a couple of cups of chicken broth to the mix. I've got some more charcoal about ready. As soon as that's ready to go, I'll put some more heat underneath, and then also I'll put the lid on and put some charcoal on top so it gets turns into baking mode and roasting. Alright, there we go. I'm going to resist the urge to look, and I'll start putting the hard veggies in, pretty much everything but tomato and zucchini, in about 20 minutes, I think. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to turn this meat, add the veggies, add a little bit more broth, and add some more heat and keep it going. Alright, I might have overdone it on the veggies here. I'm running out of room, but there's still, I'm just adding the zucchini and the tomatoes. There's still liquid in the bottom, and the beef is right there. It's firming up. So it ought to be enough to steam. I just got to make sure that the lid will still seal. I'm going to add a little bit more broth on top of this too. Alright, I think it's go time. This has been on the heat for a little less than an hour and a half. Let's check it. It smells really good. Oh yeah, the liquid that's in here is boiling. That's nice and soft. Carrot's nice and soft. Potato, nice and soft. Let's get a temperature read. Over 170. Oh yeah, 190. Okay, I'm gonna take this in, let it rest, carve it up, plate it up. Let's see what we get. It's good stuff. Alright, well there you have it. Simple meat and potatoes, delicious. If you like that, you want to give it a try, let me know, and go check out this jambalaya recipe I did in a Dutch oven too. It's absolutely wonderful. Thanks for joining. See ya. Get out there.